Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get your free credit score with Borrowell. But before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been denied credit? If so, you're not alone. Millions of Americans are denied credit every year. One of the main reasons for this is a low credit score. Your credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness. The higher your score, the more likely you are to be approved for credit. So, if you're looking to improve your credit score or just want to know where you stand, I encourage you to watch this video. In this video, I'll cover the following topics. What is a credit score? How do credit scores work? What are the different types of credit scores? How can you get your free credit score with Borrowell? Tips for improving your credit score. So, let's get started. What is a credit score? A credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. It is based on your credit history, which includes your payment history, credit utilization, and the types of credit you have. How do credit scores work? There are 3 main credit reporting agencies in the United States: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Each of these agencies collects and stores your credit information. They then use this information to calculate your credit score. There are a number of different credit scoring models, but the most common is the FICO score. Your FICO score ranges from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the better. What are the different types of credit scores? There are 3 main types of credit scores. Vantage Score 3.0, FICO Score 8, FICO Score 9. Each of these scores has its own unique scoring model. How can you get your free credit score with Borrowell? Borrowell is a free credit score service that allows you to get your FICO Score 8. To get your free credit score with Borrowell, you simply need to create an account and provide some basic information about yourself. Once you've done that, you can view your FICO Score 8 for free. Tips for improving your credit score. Here are a few tips for improving your credit score. Pay your bills on time and in full. Keep your credit utilization low. Don't apply for too much credit at once. Check your credit report for errors. Dispute any errors that you find. Getting your free credit score with Borrowell is a great way to learn more about your financial health. I encourage you to give it a try today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.